If you aspire to be a data scientist, you need to learn some computer languages. There is no single language that can do everything. That is why it is required to learn more than one language. Learning the appropriate languages makes you more efficient in solving data science issues. These are required frequently. For instance, Python was extremely popular during the 2010s when data science was growing. In an Indeed study, it was discovered that data science and Python skills from 2014 to 2019 were the key to kickstart a tech career in 2020. Python is the most significant data science language. This will hold true for the next 5 years at least. If you understand Python and how to fix problems with numbers and experiments, you will be great at this profession. Python is a special and flexible programming language. People use it in many ways, like using tools like NumPy and SciPy to work with numbers and data. Building websites with Django and Flask. R programming. R is another powerful language for data science. It became popular very quickly. R is great at working with numbers and making graphs. It also has over 8,000 helpful tools created by people around the world. Statisticians use R to make predictions and create graphs. Java is a widely used programming language that is over 30 years old. Java is applied in developing desktop applications, web applications, and mobile applications. Java executes on a platform known as JVM, Java Virtual Machine, that enables it to execute on various computers. SAS, Statistical Analysis System. SAS is a data and number working device, and it is appropriate for activities like business reports, forecasting, and data analysis. SAS has been in existence since 1976, and the majority of people in the world of data trust it. Scala is also a Java-compatible language. It can be applied to big projects with a lot of data. Scala is usually used with a system named Apache Spark, which assists in the data task distribution and executing them with high speed. TensorFlow is a very useful math and machine learning program. It assists you in managing enormous amounts of data. You can split your work into a number of small works and execute them simultaneously on a number of computer chips, CPUs and GPUs. C#, pronounced C#, was developed by Microsoft. It is 20 years old. C# is similar to Java but with some new and helpful functionalities. Ruby is also a language that is frequently used to deal with text. It is also used by developers to experiment with ideas, build servers, and perform mundane tasks. For data science, Ruby can be used with Ruby, allows you to run Ruby in Jupyter notebooks. Reserve Client allows Ruby to communicate with R, another data tool. Languages used for programming. Before you select a programming language, think about what you do. For example, financial folks use R to read stock market data and predict prices. In stores or online, computer programmers use Python to develop programs that suggest products to shoppers. Conclusion: choosing the appropriate programming language can help you progress in your data science career. Keep your goals, work needs, and what recruiters need in mind. Keep learning and enhancing abilities. ICertGlobal offers easy data science courses that make you successful.